Hi, my name is Carly, and I'm new to YouTube. I'm going to play two things on my flute for you. I'm going to play the ending to Pay for Them by Maroon 5, and then I'm going to play, of course, the Pumped Up Kicks. Here we go. Now, I'm going to do, of course, the Pumped Up Kicks. I hope you enjoyed those few little pieces, and thanks for watching.